there, welcome to Sayogini and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is day 8 of our 21-day yoga habit series, and just in case you have missed the earlier days, I am going to link the playlist over here and you can start your yoga journey at any time. So today we are going to practice tree pose and its gentle variations. This is going to help you find balance, calm and stability. Now as a beginner, it's possible that you might lose your balance, so I'll suggest you to stand somewhere very close to the wall so that you can get support. You can also try this by touching your back on the wall. Try to do this without touching the wall first, and then you check for yourself if needed. You can also touch your back to the wall for more support. So let's begin by standing on a mat. Keep your feet hip width apart. Now I want you to shift your body weight to your left feet and lift the heel of your right feet and touch it to the left ankle, and you can keep the right toes on the mat. Now slowly bring your hands in prayer position and focus at a point in front of you and try to find your balance and stay there. We'll stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your hands and release your leg. Now we will repeat the same on the other side. And now lift your left heel and touch it to your right ankle. You can touch your left toes on the mat and bring your hands in prayer position. Focus at a point in front of you. Stay there and keep breathing. Try to find your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your hands down and release your leg. So this is one variation. Now we are going to try another one. So slowly I'll be moving to difficult variation. Whichever feels right for you, you can repeat that for 5 rounds. Now again shift your weight on the left leg. Slowly raise your right feet from the ground and keep it on your left calf. Now focus at a point and find your balance. Keep concentrating and join your hands in prayer in front of your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your hands and release your leg. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Shift your body weight to the right side. Lift your left feet from the ground and keep it on your right calf. Now slowly join your hands in prayer. Focus at a point in front of you and find your balance. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release your hands and release your leg. Now one very important point over here is that you should not keep your feet on the knee of the other leg. Otherwise you will be hurting your joints. You will be hurting your knee. So always keep it in the calf, and if this is very easy for you, you can also try to keep it okay. But this is beginner, so I am going to teach only beginner friendly versions right now. Now we'll do the last version of tree pose. Shift your body weight to your left feet. Raise your right feet from the ground and keep it on your left calf. Now join your hands in prayer position. Focus at a point in front of you and slowly raise your hands up and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your hands down and release your hands and release your leg. Now we'll repeat the same on the other side. So shift your body weight to your right leg. Take your left feet off the ground. Keep it on your right calf. Now join your hands in prayer. Slowly raise your hands up. Focus at a point in front of you and find your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your hands down and release your leg. Now slowly sit on your mat. Remove your clip or rubber band. Lie down on the mat by taking support of your hands. Keep your heels closer to your thighs. Now slowly raise your feet and bring your knees closer to your chest and hug your knees. Now roll slowly side to side and give a good massage to your lower back. You can close your eyes and feel the gentle massage that you're getting from the floor. Release the tension from your lower back. Keep breathing. Slowly straighten your legs and roll onto one side. Taking support of your hands, sit back. Now slowly open your eyes. So thank you for your time and thank you for your practice. If this practice helped you to find your focus and your balance and you feel calmer, then please do share your experience in the comments below. Also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye bye.